Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have an Adobe ID and Creative Cloud installed. Now start the process. First, open the Creative Cloud desktop app and sign in if needed. Once done, go to Settings, choose Apps, and enable Beta Apps so beta builds appear. Next, confirm your machine meets the minimum OS, GPU, and free disk requirements. This reduces install failures and performance problems. Now return to the app list and look for Photoshop, Beta, to begin the download and installation sequence. You should see Photoshop, Beta listed under Beta Apps. Click Install to start. While it downloads, make sure you grant any OS permissions for GPU acceleration and file access, because those enable performance and plugin functionality. If you have plugins you rely on, choose to install compatible versions now or defer to avoid conflicts. Once the installer finishes, keep Creative Cloud running to finalize dependencies. This ensures the app registers correctly and that extensions and Adobe fonts sync without interruption. You can now launch Photoshop Beta from the Creative Cloud app or your applications/program folder. Sign in when prompted so cloud features activate. Once launched, set critical preferences, GPU acceleration level, scratch disk location, and performance memory, because they directly affect responsiveness. Open a representative file to test brushes, filters, and plugins. If something goes wrong, if it crashes or is sluggish, first update your GPU drivers and then reset preferences. That single trouble.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.